Way has an ongoing fund for ALICE families, those households that are otherwise stable except for a crisis or emergency that threatens household stability. Well, now the agency has announced funds for ALICE families who are adversely impacted by COVID-19. Channel 9's Karen Parks is live in Orlando this afternoon. Karen, you spoke with the agency's CEO about how this fund works.
And Greg, families can receive a minimum of $750 based on need. Right now, it's one-time funding, but that could change depending on how long these closures last. In response to the COVID-19 pandemic, Heart of Florida United Way has established a fund to support Central Florida residents who have been financially impacted. The focus of the fund is to support the ALICE population. Asset limited, income constrained, and employed.
40% of the people in America don't have $400 in the bank. That's Central Florida. 46% of the families here are ALICE. So those are folks who are asset limited, income constrained, but they're working. They're getting up every day. They're going to their jobs, sometimes two jobs, but they're this close to financial ruin.
Right now, Heart of Florida United Way has invested $100,000, but is seeking financial support to aid as many families as possible.
This is going to be an extremely challenging time for our community, and we're going to see a lot of pain with families not able to pay their rent, increase in evictions, increase in kids not being able to get food perhaps. Utilities will not be paid.
The fund will be used for people who live in Orange, Seminole, and Osceola counties with moderate to low income and are hourly workers. Residents must demonstrate financial need by presenting documentation such as bank statements, pay stubs, and rent agreements. Now, the CEO told me they're still hoping for donations to increase the funding. Normally, we're told that donations are never a problem, but since this pandemic is so widespread, everyone is looking for a helping hand. Reporting live here in Orlando, Karen Parks, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
For the next 60 days, companies around the country, including AT&T, Comcast, and Verizon, are going to cover phone and internet service for people who can't pay their bills because they're out of work. It's called the Keep Americans Connected Pledge. The companies say they will also open Wi-Fi hotspots to any American who needs one.
Google is set to roll out an informational website about the coronavirus later this week. The website was supposed to launch yesterday, but the tech company says it is waiting on additional information to add to the new site. The goal is to tell people where they can get screened and where testing sites are. Google says it isn't developing a nationwide tool to directly survey patients for symptoms, but it will have a link to a CDC screening tool. We'll let you know when they roll that out. And you may have to wait a few weeks to schedule your dental checkup now. The American Dental Association recommends postponing elective procedures due to the coronavirus, and that does include all routine hygiene appointments, orthodontic procedures, and any cosmetic procedures such as teeth whitening. The ADA says that would make sure that dentists can focus on patients who are in need of emergency work only.
This afternoon, we're hearing from the first test subject in the coronavirus vaccine clinical trial. Jennifer Haller is a healthy 43-year-old mother of two, and yesterday she made history as the first person to receive a coronavirus vaccine in Seattle, Washington. The National Institutes of Health is funding that trial, which is taking place at the Kaiser Permanente Washington Health Research Institute. Haller says she knows the risks of being the first.
You know, just to be able to potentially be part of saving lives. This is huge, and I'm so proud to be able to do it.
Haller is one of 43 people participating in the first COVID-19 vaccine trials. All of the subjects are healthy volunteers between the ages of 18 and 55.
No, they can't hear it, but we want to say thank you to all of them for their bravery. Meantime, some people are taking advantage of this crisis to make a quick buck, even if it's illegal. A quick glance at Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace shows toilet paper, paper towels, and cleaning supplies selling for sky-high prices. Attorney General William Barr has asked federal prosecutors to prioritize investigating those who are exploiting this pandemic. Amazon and other online retailers have been cracking down as well on some sellers' efforts to sell products at inflated prices. And if you see very high prices for coronavirus-related supplies, you should call the state's price gouging hotline. You can see the number. It is on your screen. Easy to remember, 1-866-9-NO-SCAM. So far, cleaning supplies, hand sanitizers, and face masks are the only things covered.